Oh, say I watch my pocket.
No, but you must can support her. I mean, in a midfield now in a greatness, you must can support her. 130 means now.
There's over there chat say.
But me not have money for buy about 200k if you that, you know.
What?
What I want is something.
See if it liquor. See if it liquor. You put on 100, you put on 200, you put on 100, you put on 200. You look at 150, look at 150.
But when I party?
The 29th of this month.
So how am I going to save that?
You know, go number 1 4 weeks straight and this week make 5.
You must know when man.
At 1,300 and at 13 million.
You love talk about number 1 here?
Jaydenn, the avid can't do it and the argument done.
Rose, more ask you one question. What was the real reason why you just get up on my name? Like, come on.
A while ago?
No, like, why you get up on my name like one day?
Why me I cuss you?
Yeah, why you cuss me?
I hear your woman prank me.
Me?
Yeah. You don't tell me a serious lie.
No, I'm not prank you.
Yeah, you pranked me. She said it was a prank. She posted out the message.
No.
That be the upset, but why you prank me?
Rose,
Supposed to know that
Rose,
me have feelings.
But Rose, she never come up with that. She never come up with that before you start cuss me.
Yes.
You come up before you start cuss me before that.
Alright, before that, me start cuss up. Lord plan. Go back down that again. Before that. Never tell her that again.
Yeah, tell me.
Before that.
Yeah.
All of them when me say I run behind you for want to be your friend. Never was a friend, my friend. When they did they are 60 and 80 and 20 and 90, they don't want to be a friend, my friend.
True. So why never come to me? Why never come to me?
Me not
So
tell them they must know that.
No.
They must know that. Them about
Me not
people
know
never want to
everything.
be a friend them time there.
Me not, but Rose, me
People
not
never
know
want to be
everything,
a
Rose.
friend.
Me understand what you say, but me don't know everything.
80 and 20 and 30 and me sit here to Jaydenn. Chewed ball of them out of the box on the Rastaman and Devrel. What you do? Come
Me
here,
know, Rose, I know, but why never come to me and
Jaydenn,
ask
remember
my
we used to
line?
play with your family. I give 15 games straight.
Rose, I
Till
know
you
that.
improve, me can't win a match.
Rose, I know all of that, Rose. But but you a big woman and me a big man. Why? Remember, you know. Remember the time we did on the phone for hours, you know. Why you never said that to me? Remember, me don't know everything.
But just catch on to it.
Rose, I don't know everything.
Just catch on to the story.
Me know say.
Look how much for me like go tell her about she ungrateful, no, man. When I be with man and woman store count, you can't tell me for left Jakes, you know.
You can't tell her nothing about Jakes.
You see?
No, I can't tell me about Jakes, for me not left Jakes.
So TJ. So TJ and the rest of them, all of them just.
The whole of them a look clout off of you, them never gonna play with you. The whole of them a look clout off of you, them never gonna play with you if you never done away. When they are 30 and 40 and 60, I used to call to you, when I each up in a box at night, and I said, throw the pill out of the box. When I want gift they have. When I show you, I don't know what they give you.
True, Rose.
You remember them the days there?
Remember them days, man. Remember them days, man. Remember them days there.
You remember them the days there when him not play with them? They want to play with them because you smoke, you know? Make no views now for them, know I see how far you reach with them. You're good. TJ a true friend. You never know nothing yet.
Rose are true. A true Rose. You're not lie.
Nobody say cause me say make them come bandwagon me.
Rose, I'm not lie. I tell you. And triple two.
And then
Rose, and triple two.
Yeah.
TJ, you hear that? We have to go cut ya.
Me? I want to go for more dinner date and honeymoon.
We have to go cut off TJ.
I want to go for more dinner date with Bam. We are called tripping him for. We are tripping and normally play.
No, but yeah, me and
You
triple
know over
normally
here,
play.
I'm like mix up and never know nothing. Remember, you know, when the store come out with online, you know. So when the store come out with online our clothes, I shall go tell me, he says, me take the picture. Him say him never know about the picture, you know. When the picture surface by, yeah. I said the night, him take the picture, you know. Him take the picture and him say him no know nothing about that. Him never know me. Him love mix up. Him love and mix up, and he never know no about nothing yet. That is TJ. Me no want him come trace me. I come at my yard. Let me rest them. Come on, leave fish shan cook more white rice. Give me a tin mackerel and macaroni and franks.
So TJ only run because of the views and the hype. Okay.
Okay.
TJ. Okay.
Never put more talk. Me me Spanish. Remember the world not gonna like me, you know. Come in care. Okay. And you know it too. And you only play with TJ because the people like you will shoot against him.
Me gotta know.
Okay.
True. To make a look of money.
But TJ here the money play look the people them not like you and they will shoot against you.
Oh, so you try to set me up with so you try to set me up with TJ now.
No, I tell you the truth.
You want TJ come on my yard now?
But you and TJ not that friend like that.
Okay.
TJ ever give you yet? Eh?
TJ said my interested yesterday.
A friend in my look.
Okay, a friend in my look.
TJ mix up, him come like Sally, they never know nothing yet. I ever wine a banger who and banger.
Yeah, man, dog, me see you. Ridiculous, me see you too. We go down, me see you.
Take time.
56 rows. Everybody's in a rows. Everybody's in a rows. How you are 60?
What crowd of people come from?
Rose, I can't beat me now in a Rose. Me think mad now, you know.
You know, me can't beat you, me see it.
Think mad now, Rose.
Me not send out me a message to nobody.
Rose, go send out a message. Rose. From here there, we never send out a message. Go send out a message, man.
No. You send it out. Guys, come the chat.
Wingy, beg you something. TJ, me
and Rose. Ricky, my baby father. Come shoot out this to me now.
TJ, me and Rosealee are sending out blood clot message, TJ. Eh?
Come the chat. Quick.
TJ, go suck out over that. No. Me and Rosealee said that. Wingy, beg you something, baby. Beg you something. Come on, chat. Triple. You catch a triple, Rose?
Crazy. Shot at 2.
Alright, more help you.
Why you tell message to people and I tell people that? I know them know where me live.
Oh. So how you go like your bad? Ricky Laws!
You never carry shoes come.
Eh?
Oh, you never carry shoes come.
Because you're bad on them things, them know you send them on. Yeah?
One pair of brush off stickers I can't carry, come give me.
You know, you say pull up. You say pull up, Jaydenn, pull up.
I can't do anything when I'm ignorant. I can't say anything.
No, you're ready for batter me.
Me? I want it when the batter you leave back to me or it go up and yeah.
So how you go like your
You want to send Gabriel's left my 2 pitney them.
Oh,
you know what I got foreign? And my record they want for spoil. You know what when Romisha send you go foreign on tour we get for go and get money. Look at you.
Romy tell me send a rate you. You want there when me and Romy should have answered them.
So Romy tell us me not go up on tour.
Which tour? Where you are going on tour go do?
They go call Romy.
You are miss Bling I see. You are miss Bling I see thing. Where you go up on tour and do?
What tour shall go on?
Do this. Do this.
Ricky! Maybe I'm a father.
No, Rose, I'm my manager.
Ricky, come back your post.
I know, I'm my manager.
You're not going to pay for them. I know why you get enough for penny.
No,
you know, say probably like in a story with Miss Blinger.
Yeah, because Miss Blinger
alone.
No, Miss Blinger, this are so she not like Miss Blinger.
This are our say what?
Me not like. Me not like. Rose, me not like Miss Blinger too. Ricky doesn't get her glove.
But
you
can't say that Fabi Blinger can't go anywhere in Irish have passport and visa.
Cannot go, I said. She cannot go.
Miss Blinger, Miss Rose, vibe, thank you. Rose, let me tell her. Rose, let me tell her. Rose, let me tell her. Let me tell her, Rose.
Then people are going UK. So that's the other guys.
Rose, me not like Miss Blinger. Let me tell her why me not like Miss Blinger.
Why?
Miss Blinger a hypocrite.
What kind of hypocrite?
Rose, me know me not have to tell her that. If you turn and they go cool.
Oh.
Me like Miss B, me can't follow you.
Me not like Miss Blinger. Miss Blinger do all of them mix up there and look in our house. You seen our house? You see the bunk bed them? Rose, did you see the bunk bed them in Miss
You better
Blinger?
not nothing to do with your Jaydenn. You never have to go so deep and cold. Me not gonna indulge in the story there with your on screen card now.
No screen card over here. Me black all screen card in page.
You wait until you put your life alone you do that. Me can't take the mix up there. And me and the lady got sting me not going to do that.
Dennis.
16 people kick a heart meat.
Heart meat.
Yeah. That's what it is.
No,
16
no.
people. 16 new member.
Heart meat.
16 new member. Click me name the heart meat.
Rose, me tell you, I'm on fire now when you can't beat me no much, you know.
16 heart meat, but just want to catch a speed. 16 people join the member, 16 people more for join it, 16 new people, 16 fresh people, 16 people never took it yet, fresh, thank you very much. Guys, I'm not going to something there on it double. Mama! You know say you going to call me when you come.
Drop it up.
Triple chat.
Drop it gloves. Hold up. Ricky Laws. Ray, what on?
Come to chat.
Ray, a long time I don't see no baby. I'm up in short now.
Guys, you can't win one match.
No, Rose. Me not think so.
Come to chat.
No.
Yeah, man. Help out.
Come chat, come.
Help out, chat. Help out.
Help out.
Help out, chat.
Help out.
Jesus Christ, watch them.
Ricky Laws.
Why Ricky really can't drop on gloves a while ago and just flirt and left me? Why? Yeah, managing boy.
Let's tell you say I'm my manager that Rose. Like you not believe me. Ricky Laws.
Why?
Cute. Ricky Laws. Cute. Ricky Laws. Cute.
Now go work out.
Cute.
Guys, thank you so much, everybody. Thank you.
Guys, we're gonna post.
Work, Rosalie, work.
Rain drop work. No worry about me and work. Rain drop your gloves.
No, sir, decades. Drop our gloves.
Look, I really look some work tomorrow, of course. That's not work.
So, Rosalie, you stop exercise and them thing there?
The injection, if you get some more.
Okay.
I'm gonna do drastic sleep while playing for vote for me to win the competition next week. Don't worry about that. I got Turkey to go. I got Turkey to do the surgery. Triple chat.
You have a fly out. Me see your passport. Place. Where you go?
Triple chat.
Them video you never look good, you know?
Me don't want to look good. I had clothes, me never cut them things.
So if you don't want to look good, why you
Me don't want to look good.
So
Me
why
don't
you
want to
gonna
look
gym?
good.
So why you gonna gym then?
Me don't want to look good. Me put on my clothes, go pick up my things. Me don't want to look good.
So I go to surgery
Me put on my clothes, go pick up my passport, go do my business. Me don't want to look good.
Okay. So
Me
why
tell you,
you
me don't want to look good. Me want to smell good. Me want to go around people, then now I go, Looking good is not the problem. Smelling good is my problem. Me don't want to look good. Me never born for look good. Me born for shape bad. And the girl video me from back way.
Listen.
Me know that long time. Me comfortable myself in a Jaydenn.
You sure?
Confident.
You're not confident
I
at
remember me not
all?
buy man.
Alright then, if you're confident, then we want tights then.
When Fabi put on a tight, me put on one.
No man, Fabi, oh God man. You want to say Fabi? Jesus
You
Christ.
see her in a man clothes, so me can't say, oh God.
She look neat and you too.
She have to look neat on me.
You know, because she's slim.
Me see you in a tights too, you know.
You know, see me? You're
In
late.
a tights.
You're late.
Bye. The people them now work with me at all. Hmm?
Rose,
Like that,
Rose, still in a Rose. Rose, still in a heavy woman who me get, you know, like, you know. You don't know what make, you know.
No must say why you.
Me not know if I want. Ricky doesn't get gloves again, bro.
Never tell her that yet.
Right, thank you. Rose, oh God, man, you tell me say you want me, look how much time you tell me say you want. Rose, and would that be a nice couple, you know?
Wicked. Wicked is tight.
Reach a back girl here soon done, thank God. Hey!
Yeah, blush.
You just have as a look, brother, you're not really my time. Me tell you this, me like bad man, you know. Me like bad man, you're far from that.
So me no bad man, Rose.
No?
But Jake's not bad man.
But you're not far from it. Yeah, you're far from it.
Why you think me far from it?
Because if me tell you, if it was bad man, me tell you pull up my foot and give me sneakers, you can't come.
No, me tell you.
You know so me not gonna come with myself?
I'm a
Me not
yard.
gonna come with you now. Me not gonna come in yard for you.
I'm a yard.
Yeah.
I want a box with I get, man.
Then Jaydenn, if me get back to your yard, me don't know if I circle back and do.
Circle back and do what?
Here buckle boom.
Buckle boom.
But you knew. You knew.
Rose, you feel like my house, I know paper house.
No, when buckle boom started, they don't have a paper house or a paper this or a paper that.
Oh,
Three
see,
style would be a buckle. As I put your foot out, something I buy 10 make a buckle in. Pop, you can't come out.
oh, so you buckle boom somebody else already.
Yeah.
Oh, which girl that in her back?
She know why you.
Ask her if I pum pum her belly that in her shorts.
Sit there. Look good.
Boy, you're wicked, even Rose. Come on, chat.
56 Rose chat.
56 Rose.
Come on,
The
guys.
woman has so much buff.
56 Rose. 56 Rose. Bro, you have a gloves. Use it, please.
One more.
You want her?
Go shoot. Eh?
You want her?
No, my woman nice than her, no.
A lie you tell.
No, my woman nice than her, man.
Lie you tell, lie.
My woman nice than her, man. I tell you the truth.
Lie. Lie.
The woman nicer than her, man. Drop it glove.
You're for speed there, so only a lion can save me. Ricky beg your puss now. But Jaydenn take you over, can't see back over myself. Just give me like one.
Yeah, because me say no.
Yeah, when I say work while they sleep.
Ricky knows. Drop it gloves. Rose.
I can't see over my side.
Rose,
Wow.
me give money for recharge, so that's why I'm sending me.
No, actually tell me say you can't give them money for recharge.
Yeah. Ricky Love, send me money. Send me money, Ricky Love. Send me money. Yeah. Send me money back. Send back money.
The ear.
True.
The ear say
Work.
yeah, give them money for recharge to give you. For stay on the
CC,
board.
thank you. Yes, Ricky Love, send back my money.
Guys, I'm gonna
Terry,
You go beg your post.
CC, thank you.
Father.
send that up, bro. Guys,
Somebody else can beg on one post.
That's not use mouth.
Jesus Christ.
You get it done.
Yeah.
Ah,
In the house, come give me. For me, in
ah,
argument, I can't see him.
Because Rose should go against me. You know, say right now if everybody go against me, them fall off. You're gonna bring her back on. You know?
Then who the rise you when you don't know me?
So that's why I bring her back on, man. And then it's quit, so now I can't go talk about it, you know.
No, it's weeks.
Yeah, it
So
was
when I
quit.
carry me out, now go buy 2 more food. Time go out with food, he quits.
You know, go quit then, you know.
So you not go buy me food. Maybe you want me $15,000, you know?
Prefer buy a gym membership. Stop talk about food.
Remember
Yeah.
that,
You try to lose weight and you talk about food. Stop talking about food,
You
man.
can't buy me no gym membership. Me get that. Me no forget gym membership. You know worry about that.
Okay.
I'm tell you, no worry about me and gym membership. Remember saying no, me not fight for man, you know. Come and breathe 4 times.
And that's
I live
before.
with a man for 10 years. I'm a shape body. Remember you just start up,
you breathe
woman.
4 times. You breathe 6 times, you get 2 where you dash with
No,
4.
you just start up, woman. Where the baby there, where they say the up before.
You put off.
You not breathe Fabi.
Me I go breathe and mash up your body so no man no want talk.
If you breathe Fabi, man.
You know I'm breathe too.
No, maybe we can't breathe again.
You sure?
Guys, thank you so much.
Ricky does have 2 gloves.